What's up YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video probably gonna be my first video here on YouTube. If everything goes well, I'm going to Dunn's River. It's my birthday weekend this weekend. My birthday is November the 8th. Today is Friday, the 5th. I'm going to Dunn's River today. Tomorrow, I want to go to the zoo tomorrow. Sunday, maybe I'm gonna go to a hotel, maybe. Moon Palace. Chill out, look a bit, you know? Enjoy life. Look a bit, yeah. So I'm on my way now to Dunn's River, so when I'm there, I'll pick up at the camera. Alright, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's my first video. Turn on post notifications and we're out here. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restored my soul. He leadeth me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will not fear evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me, in the presence of mine enemies. Thou anointeth my head with oil. My cup runneth over, surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever and ever. Amen. Yeah, I made it safely to Ouchy Race. I don't know if you can see the sign. Hold on a minute. I'll turn on this so you can see it. You heard me? Zoom in a bit. Welcome to Ouchy. I'm out here, we're done now. Yeah, so, hold on. So in life, bro, it's a journey. And each and every one of us have a different destination, so you need to focus on your journey, okay? But on my journey now, alright, so I came to Ouchy Race to the Dunn's River by myself because I just wanted to go by myself. It's my birthday weekend, you know what I mean? It's all about me this weekend. And I don't want nobody to kill my vibe. So I come by myself. So I know that I'm gonna have a good time. Because I'm gonna meet somebody. I know that I'm gonna meet somebody. I'm vlogging, maybe I can meet a girl, you never know. Take her back to Kingston with me this evening. You see me? Yes, I came here by myself. Just to chill. Wash off a little bit. Be one with the water in Dunn's River. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So, yeah, I want you, so. Like, comment, subscribe. Out here. I change shirts. I got a Rastaman shirt. Because I'm there for the Rastaman, you see me? So I get a Bob Marley shirt. You know what I mean? Yeah. Get a Bob Marley shirt. I also bought some stuff here because I was feeling Jamaican. I was feeling Jamaican, so I bought some stuffy stuff. So it's nothing too much light in it, that's better. Bought a Jamaican basket, Jamaican mask. Like this looks nice. I'm buy one of this. Out here as a yard, man, you see? So my mask. And my basket. Out here as a yard, man. You know what I mean, bro? So yeah, I'm out here from a Rastaman thing. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro, that's more like it. It's better.
The success.
Out here. And the vlog live and direct. Live and direct on the vlog. Beautiful, bro. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm done. The first vlog we cannot in a too bad, you see me? And a week still, it's still a nicer. Right? You don't have much success still, you see? Just stay up and hold it. Steps, bro. Bro, come somewhere like this by yourself, bro. You meet people, you know? Meet some very good people, bro. You just go and enjoy it. It's nice. Beautiful, man. Alright, yeah. Nice to relax and have a good time.
He left me up there. Yeah. No, not the other man. He left me up there.
That's the golden. That's the thing. Oh, Jade! Your mouth I gonna put you in a problem. Nice, bro. Sometimes you come someplace by yourself, brother. You never know. You might have a good time. You see me? Might have a very fucking good time, boy. There's a beach out there. You know, see the beach. Yeah. There's a beach out there, but you're not seeing the beach because the aperture is all the way turned up. So I'm gonna get falls over this one. Know what I mean? You know what I mean, bro? But for me, no. That's the funny thing. Yeah, that's the funny thing, right there.
Before you born, you don't owe nobody. Must cheap on me chest and candy pan me and money fi stack up and pile up like that. And give the key for the man take a video and carry like girl no wanna rub. Girl no wanna rub pocket man. No girl no wanna rub pocket man. No girl no wanna rub pocket man. She love the job of life and the lavish man. I like her, no waste man can't.
Two rascals that we can't talk.
10 gun.
Huh? 10 grand like this.
It's a joking, man.
And then I go to buy it. Yeah, you know.
10 grand for one.
I'm going to get one for 12.
12. Like a shake of them things. You met them? Yo, yeah, them are masters. You in the masters. You don't have none? You don't have a nice one with like mouth cut out.
Huh?
You don't have the mouth cut out on them master.
No, I said I'm not going to cut out the mouth. I was idle.
Oh, and then you met them on there?
Yeah.
You met them?
Yeah, you want to do it for
I like them on them.
Huh?
I like them, I like it easy, but you see if you have an old, see old. How much you old?
Yeah, man. You can't give me a 7 grand for you all.
7 grand, I can hold it.
How much you want to give me for you all?
I prefer to take it easy. That's 5 grand. Alright?
How much you want to give me for you all?
I'm not have so much.
Alright, give me
I
5.
don't like it all.
Alright,
All kind of not so neat.
Give me
It's easy
5.
tough, though. You make it easy?
Yeah, man, I mean, man. Let me give me $10 for the small reason.
Mm.
Rasta price now, you know. So nothing now go and still not give us. I give for that price.
That's
And now carve your name on it. Your mama earth.
I don't like eagle like that. Though. You see if I did one owl, so neat, so I take it all. But I not too.
So how much you
eagle
want
on my bird.
how much you want to give me for that hole?
I don't like that owl is not neat.
I just threw it the rain wet it a while ago.
No man, that chicken carve out good man. Look on that. Look on this, is not carve out good. No man, now I kept that they look like. One of them eagle with them eagle. Sure.
Yeah, you know some makeup and enough personal, you know. Some makeup enough man like yeah, style. You know some around now your brain and she say I play with me.
No man, I don't play there.
I'm not telling you, you know, I never remember born, you know.
I never
see things from before it
I never much about. Never my
23rd, I Sagittarius, you know.
That's not my
You just Scorpio, you know, so I know everything about you.
eat my man.
Tell me.
I like the bird, but to
Play your play, you don't see it.
I will. Big man. You know that bird look better so. That bird look neater. Let's come in now, man. You buy it. Let's come in.
That was nice. Give me another one. Give me one more. What a play with it.
Listen, that me say. That me give
Give
you
me
5.
one more. Nobody a grown. Just try the Rasta. Rasta work hard, you know. Get from me on my bread.
Don't pressure Rasta. Fuck me up.
Me tell you 12 and me tell you God 10.
Yeah.
Mama, you can't do it. No, give me one more grand.
I want that now.
Give me another 1,000. Give me one more, my girl. Mommy, boss in the tree, me tell you, mommy.
Never hear.
Hey, mommy.
Swear to God, Rasta, I never hear. I never hear you.
I'm living up. Give me another one.
Oh God, I never hear.
Get that. Alright, yo, give me another.
Hold on.
You know, son, brother. Give me 1,000, man. I told you I'm a little profit in a man. No, man, I agree at 8, man. Give me one more, man. Easy. Yo, give me a done.
And we agreed upon a price.
No, I have one in bought one already. Ochi.
Smell it, man. You know you have it. Smell it
Ochi,
all.
man. No.
If you not have it that different, you know
Him
you
not
have
have it, Ross. Him not have it. For true, him not have it. It's food we can buy now, you know.
it. You know, sir, look at your Chris.
Yo bro, I love it here bro. Definitely have to come back here one of these days. You know what I mean? And my bro God, definitely have to come back. It's beautiful here bro. I'm thinking about the place. Nice, nice little vibes bro. Enjoyed myself thoroughly. Yeah, I'm just by an eagle. That's someone that move like, I don't know my moves, but you don't know outside. What's good guys? Welcome back to another one. Welcome back to the vlog. So we stopped by at the place again. Lobster Dave's. And I'm gonna have a big piece of fish. I'm enjoying my birthday weekend bro. It's beautiful, it's a beautiful view. I don't know if you can see what's going on over here. It's really beautiful out here. Fucking beautiful, bro. You know what I mean? I'm just enjoying the view and I'm about to have a piece of nice piece of fish, you know? Living it up this weekend. That's what I'm doing, okay? Nah, I get none. Yeah. Greedy sir. You me a cat. You know what I say? Nah, I get none of my fish. Easy as well. Donjiva was amazing. I have to go back with my friends. And the bros. I have to go back. See if we can call up a few holes. And we have to go back, okay? Okay, bro? Oh, better. I'm still testing this one out. Like, comment, subscribe. Somebody can carry me to buy me a pina colada or something. Have a buzz me. It's crazy. Pina colada. Somebody can't carry me to buy me a pina colada or something. Okay, nice. First time trying it. I'm enjoying my birthday. My birthday weekend, you know? It's beautiful. So my food came. Food came, bro. This is what I'm working with. It's not even my birthday as yet. And I'm eating good, you know? It's beautiful. This is what I'm working with. We're having a good time. Give it the first bite and tell you what it's going to do. See this food not right. Fish in our back, bro. Nice. Tastes like old fish for taste. Want some? Nah. You know my fish. Isn't it? So I eat all of this and then check it back. Make them know it. See me? Yeah, da. Yes, YouTube, that's the first vlog. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, okay? I enjoy making it and I hope you enjoy watching it the way I enjoy making it. I met a girl. This is what I'm telling you about going to places by yourself. You might meet somebody. You never know, you might find farmer bond with somebody. And because I want to travel the world, I'm going to start going a lot of places by myself and just enjoy it. I meet the Rasta on the journey today. Yeah, Rasta is a good vibe, so let's meet on the journey. Meet a lady at the bar that said we meet the next lady. We may buy the phone thing for put the case, you know. And as me reach at the Dunziver, meet a girl, man, after a whole day. We even go eat after. You see me? Or just vibes. You only live once, bro. You gotta live, bro. It's a nice experience, wonderful experience. And I support a lot of local businesses today. I bought a lot of Jamaican stuff. I bought 2 of these beads. This is a Jamaican one. And I have one, the Rasta one. Yeah, I bought a Bob Marley shirt where he said, in this great future you cannot forget your past. I bought a painting with all of the Bob Marley on it, Martin Luther, Malcolm X, Nelson Mandela, and Marcus Garvey, all of them niggas on it. And I bought this. So the story behind this, and I'm gonna always remember the story behind this. As long as I have it, I'll always remember the story behind it. This is an eagle that I got from the Rasta. Rasta want to make a sale, and I was negotiating with him. So he wanted to sell the bigger eagle for $500 US. $500 US for the big eagle. But I didn't want that. And I was like, you're crazy. Give a 10 grand and take it. The big one. And him say, alright, he might give me this one for 12. That one, this is the smaller one. The smallest one, he might for 12. See? I'm going to give him $5,000. You know, so when you give people money, they don't give it back. So I give him $5,000 I say, let me see what else I have. And look through my bag. I get me, I say, I'm find 2 more and I give him 2 more. And then bag up the bird, you know, and give me it and say, yo, John, yeah, beat me, give me next 1,000, give me a next 1,000. So that's where in the video he was saying, yo, give me a next 1,000, give me a next 1,000. That's where that was from, you see me. But I had so much fun today. It was one of the best times. And I'm going to continue doing things like this. I'm going to continue having experiences like this. This is my first vlog and I'm going to get better at it. This is not going to be my best vlog. It's my first vlog. Okay, I don't know how to use a camera yet. But like, comment, subscribe. Great things coming soon, alright? Yeah.